Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Blessing here. Today on this really exciting video, I find it exciting, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make perfume for the hair, or you can call it a hair mist or a hair spray, hair perfume spray. There are so many creative names we can give to it. So if you have any name that you think would be perfect for it, leave it in the description box below. So some people will wonder, why do I really need my hair? Why do I need a hair perfume? Yes, we do need a hair perfume. Even the Kama Sutra, it's actually a thing when it comes to attraction. Okay, when you're trying to instigate attraction, all right, you want to smell nice. A lot of people try to make their clothes smell nice, their skin smell nice. Why not your hair? Think about it. There are a lot of people, when your hair smell nice, you get compliments. And if your hair don't smell nice, especially when you use products that are not so sweet smelling, your partner complains. Like in my own case, I've used a particular product and it wasn't the best smelling product, and my husband was like, what's that on your hair? You understand? So at that point I realized, wow, okay, hair smelling nice actually is really important, actually instigates attraction. And if you have really good products, good ingredients in that particular hairspray, you can actually have a whole lot of benefits added to your hair, as well as your hair smelling nice. So to start off this particular procedure, the first ingredient we'll be needing is the rose water, premium rose water. In all of my videos, you see this particular trusted rose water best friend of mine. I love rose water so much. I love using it for my skin, and I have started using it for my hair, and I would not kid you, it is amazing. And the second ingredient is extra virgin olive oil, which is absolutely amazing. And finally, the lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil smells divine, and it has amazing benefits for the hair. So just to give you a quick update on the amazing benefits of each of these ingredients and why I have chosen these ingredients, I'm going to start with the olive oil. Okay, the olive oil moisturizes and softens the hair. It also helps in treatment of dandruff and dry scalp. It also helps remove head lice and reduces dandruff flakes, and also adds shine to the hair, which is something a lot of us love. Anytime you look at any hair product marketing campaign, you always see these models that have really shiny hair, and we all aspire to have shiny hair. That's why majority of us choose to go for those products, and that comes first, even before we touch the product and try to check the smell. We always want to have hair that looks like that of the model that we're seeing in those marketing campaigns. And the next one is rose water. We know that rose water is really, really nice for the skin, but it is also amazing for the hair. It has, according to research, it has been found that it has a similar pH level to that of our hair. It has nutrients that are beneficial to our hair, and people who use this rose water, they rave about it a lot. So that means there's something amazing to this rose water. And also it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B. It has anti-inflammatory qualities. It softens the hair, reduces dandruff and oiliness, helps with scalp issues, and also reduces frizz and adds shine to the hair. So the final one is the lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil promotes growth. Studies have shown that it can help with pattern baldness or alopecia. It has antimicrobial. That means that it prevents the growth of bacteria and fungi. It may prevent or kill hair lice. It may help curb skin inflammation, and it has a calming effect, and of course a divine fragrance. So we are going to combine these three amazing ingredients to make our super nourishing and sweet smelling hairspray. And also, did I mention that rose water smells amazing? It smells like roses. So combining the rose water the smell, the fragrance from the rose water plus the fragrance from the lavender, it is going to be super amazing. And you don't have to use olive oil. I just prefer olive oil because I want my hair to shine, but there are still other amazing oils that you can use, like the castor oil. Carrot oil is also really good. You can use jojoba oil. They're just amazing. There's so many oils that you can incorporate into your rapeseed oil. You can use with your coconut oil. Just go for products that really works well with your hair, and you can choose any essential oil that works best for your hair. You can use peppermint oil, you can use any kind of essential oil that's really that you like the smell, you know, because lots of essential oils actually have amazing benefits for your hair. So without further ado, let's get mixing. Okay. That this combo, the rose water smell plus the lavender, smells divine. It's a match made in heaven. So yes, try this, get creative with your smells and all of that, and see how different smells would would mix up with the rose water scent. So guys, that's where it all ends. Please share this video, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll be coming up with much more exciting videos for you guys. Bye for now.